The drama surrounding San Mateo County Sheriff Christina Corpus continues. As our Ground Force Dan Kerman reports tonight, her legal team has now had its own judge review that initial investigation that's led to calls for her removal. And that judge has found some serious flaws.
San Mateo County Sheriff Christina Corpus's troubles began last November when the county released an independent auditor's report by retired Santa Clara County Superior Court Judge Ladoris Cordell, which called for Corpus to step down. Corpus refused, and in March, voters passed a charter amendment allowing the Board of Supervisors to remove her from office. That hasn't happened yet, but now Corpus's attorneys have hired a judge to review Cordell's report. In his review, retired Riverside County Superior Court Judge Burke Strunsky concludes Cordell's investigation has undeniable value, but only as the point of departure, not the destination. Her report surfaces a host of serious allegations, yet it rests on an evidentiary lattice too frail to carry the constitutional load of overturning an election.
She is pointing to the problems with the Cordell report, including how the witnesses were interviewed, the fact that they weren't recorded. It's based a lot on hearsay evidence, and that this should not be the basis for her removal as sheriff.
Legal analyst Steve Clark says the report could have major ramifications about how things move forward now with Sheriff Corpus.
I think Sheriff Corpus is coming out and saying, look, we can't have a rush to judgment against me. I have the right to due process. I want to do my own witness interviews. I want to conduct my own discovery. And this process could take a long time before this hearing gets underway.
After interviewing some 40 people, the Cordell report concluded Sheriff Corpus and her Chief of Staff, Victor Iyenjay, have a personal relationship, and together they created a hostile, retaliatory, and abusive work environment. Lies, secrecy, intimidation, retaliation, conflicts of interest, and abuses of authority are the hallmarks of the Corpus administration. Corpus has maintained the allegations are not true. Dan Kerman, Cron 4 News.